up? 7:30 a.m. Probably late for some of you guys, but real early for us. Never on this YouTube channel. But it is a special, special day. And that's called Surfercross. You ready, bud?
Ready as can be.
It's probably the earliest you've ever loaded up, huh?
Yeah, I'm a little tired. We gotta get Chick-fil-A stat.
He's bringing the 250 and the 450. Can't decide. So it's better to have both. And then I'll just bring mine. Maybe pit crew or backup or
just chase truck.
Yeah. That's my whole gig here.
Fall camp.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
If it's race day.
You know what that means? Gotta get fired up.
How's the selection of this one?
Ooh, we got vanilla and we got OG.
Can't go wrong with an OG.
Can't beat that. Both just delicious.
That's for two motos?
This will get us through practice and then Moto 1, and then I'll just stop here on the way back so they're cold.
We'll sneak right by to Fox Raceway. It's 8:28 a.m.
81 degrees. Sunny California.
Earliest we've ever been to the track. Also, it's going to be a warm day too, so I guess it's nice to get in and get out. But with these race moto formats, we might even be here all day anyways.
I know, it's hopefully we can get back and get to the beach in time before sunset.
You've been racing a lot recently on this channel. How are you feeling about today's event coming into this?
I'm feeling comfy. I don't have the pre-race jitters like I usually do, so that's good. We should be all right. My starts have been a little bit better, so we'll see how it goes today.
So early that the dozer is still on course right now. We've never seen that before, huh?
Oh no.
Normally they're kicking us off.
And there's moisture on the track. It's crazy. It's California. How could you be pissed?
A lot of shock is being thrown out today.
One of these and one of those. On the waiting list.
Cummins alternate
It's
getting
official
transponder.
though. There's no cheating here.
Nah,
They probably had some problem with the little cheaters that last year, so they had to fix it.
I mean, we seen you at PR miss 3 laps and still get a third, so I understand why they want to strap one of these on you.
I just.
You pull a lot of different cards out there. You're looking for the right one. Right,
Only one that has money on it.
Yeah. The one that has money on it.
Dialed in, and you got free gear too?
Oh yes, free swag. Free swag. Everyone likes free swag.
I don't really see any moto heads out here. A lot of surf dudes though everywhere.
I'm fitting in with them now. Let's still a couple of these, a couple of these. Fit right in.
Yeah, you got the look for sure. You got Zeke keeping it off the chain right now. He's hanging out with legend Kalani Robb. We got Finn McGilly, just came in from the North Shore this morning. He's ready to rip right now. Unbelievable. It's a great, great crew right here.
He's ready to get second to last.
Big doubles, no troubles, baby.
I get the last, you get last.
Yeah, right, bro. Smoking you, dude. I'll put $100. I'll put $1,000 on the fact that I beat Finn.
1,000?
$1,000.
I need a YouTube thumbnail. Let's get it.
All right, $1,000.
I'm here, witness. Oh, I know I'm getting last.
What about $100? Neither score.
You bring it all together.
$100.
Yep,
$100.
100 on.
Here we go. I got this guy's $100 bill. He beat me last year, so.
And surf, but you beat him in moto.
He smoked us in moto. So we're not the.
So they're really going to rely on the teammates right now.
It's really gonna rely on the teammates.
And look who just came in off a yacht.
Oh,
This guy! I didn't hear the helicopter flying.
No clutch on the 450. You do have a clutch on the 250 that, Galena ended up breaking off.
Yeah, luckily it does fit on both of them. So.
Then you had to swap it over to race at PIR, but now you got to swap it back over to race at Surfercross.
Hey, that's why we got two of them. We got options.
Or you could just have 2 levers, and then you'd really have 2 options.
Hey, that would just be too fancy now.
Meanwhile, while Surfercross practice is going down, we got none other than 21 of today. Anderson just laying down motos right now, prepping. But Anderson is really on the gas. I got my 450 all prepped up right now. We got Finn, he's ready. You ready for the 450?
Oh, I'm gonna let this thing bark.
I just prepped it for you, so you should be dialed. Threw the 15 on there for little Dean Wilson homage. We got the surf boys out right now. How was it out there?
soft, gnarly, and you guys are going so fast.
It was off the chain, that's what it was.
Pretty good. If you ask me, dude.
And a factory Honda? Yeah, no, that's lovely. Take a little ruse.
Buttery's always talking shit in the factory guys. I'm one of the factory guys now, dude. What's up?
Fresh off the floor. I'm over here with the old 2020 model. How was it?
I'm Buttery's factory guy now.
Little arm pump?
Yeah. Gnarly arm pump.
Girls definitely know who this guy is. He's keeping it off the chain right now. Ryan Dudek gave him a Honda deal. Now he's feeling good. Number 2 this year?
Little McGrath Mamas.
Look at that thing. Yeah, that thing's nice. Does that mean automatic second place if not first?
They ain't first or last.
How you feeling about your teammate?
I met him. He seems like a really nice dude. We don't know each other. We've never met before, but I can feel the energy. I think we're gonna win this thing.
Good connection right off the bat. He's done with his first practice. Now he wants a secondary practice. We got Pierce Brown. He's really on the gas trying to pull off speeds right now. He's got a big 450. Mixing up with these dudes out there. We're not going to be late to this one, are we? You're claiming number 2. Oh, you're just getting right in the cut. That's a first. No one's done one of those yet. Get by the doghouse. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Kind of by the doghouse. You might be able to see this dude. On the line. I mean, at least you're not late to your moto. We're making this moto.
No, we're on the line. We got a good gate pick, so I really can't complain.
Transponder a little late. Maybe we didn't get to do a
You know what you're doing there?
or cut the wires that we wanted, but look at this. Left side, right? All right, cool. Yeah, this is
Professional.
We got little Kalana Humphrey right now. He's coming in. He's on mechanic duty. Hey, you trying to go next to my guy? Your guy Bogle already cleaned out my guy Politelli, so tell him to watch out. We got some confusion down on the course right now. We don't know if they're doing motos by themselves or they don't know if they're switching off with their teammates. Everyone's pretty confused on what's going down right now.
I gotta memorize what my teammate looks like so I know where to go. A lot of people here.
Roll up after the start. Flag, no geo flag for the ones.
Tag him in. So we had to like tag him and the next person goes. We go 1 lap, 1 lap, 1 lap. So we get a break. So it's just like a heater and then you get to cool off.
Oh, you're on then. You're on.
This
It's
is
going to be
my
a little
stuff.
slick right in the beginning though, so watch out. They're laying it down thick.
Everyone just comes sliding in, big first turn pile up.
Dirt starts this time too. Oh, you got dirt starts, right?
No, I don't. I really don't.
Vlogs, you ain't got sports down yet, bro?
It's only the 3rd time we've raced in a vlog, huh? That's quite a log, huh? Big one for a 30-seconder.
That's a wild looking 3 seconds to fine.
Kalani's tripping on this. That's what the surf. Jeremy Albright just walking him down right now, making sure the mediums roll back now so the gate doesn't drop and get his front tire. A lot of dudes fired up, a lot of nerves on the line for this industry class. No one really knows who's going to take it right now. We got Cameron Steele on 32nd. Unbelievable. Legendary lineup. The revs are up. Let's go racing! Not the worst jump he's had, but definitely not a good jump. Somewhere mid-back, caught up in the dust. He's gonna make passes here quick though, these guys. A lot of dudes trying to get out front and make work right now. Pretty dicey coming through. Look at everyone else lining up right now. Tag team style racing, so as soon as your teammate comes across, next team launches out. We got our first guy coming through right now. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Top 8, so at least he makes it. And oh, his pipe's hanging off. after this moto. Yeah, suffering. I mean, it's on there. Should we pull the can or leave it? It's gonna be so hot. I'm gonna have to get a spring puller. Let me look at it. Nah, it'll stay on. It's gonna make it. Nah, it's staying on for sure. And if you lose your can, we'll just go pick it up somewhere. Oh, 100%. You're in 8th right now. Teammate's looking good right now. He's on the 2-stroke. He's fired up. He's holding it down. Up for battle. He already made it past the last lap. Now he wants to show me means business. He's holding him off right here.
You want the beer?
Get the beer. Get the win.
Get the beer.
Oh, here he comes. He's coming on this last straightaway right here. Yeah, you look good. He's gonna pass it on. Oh, he's on fire. He's gonna make it down right now on the 2-stroke. Burn blaster. Holding that YZ wide open. Riding good this lap. He's riding really good. Damn, you held him off that whole lap.
I know.
But now your guy, every lap is doing better than his teammate, so he's making the gap a little better for you.
Carry. I know, that thing's close. Recipe.
Got that. There's only, what, one more or two more?
Dude, I have no idea. I hope it doesn't see. I'm so wet.
You got this. You guys are like in the lead, bro.
Being a block pass, I mean, staying in the legs so you can't pass.
A little Alessi.
I'm so pissed.
Just ride smart, ride smooth. Get back on the line so you're ready just in case. You just hit the table. There we go. Yeah! We're racing, boys, we're racing. There you go. They make up the gap. I have no idea. I say second.
I hope so. That's
You're at least podium though.
Everyone's so scared you can't tell. We got transponders for a reason.
Good thing we scanned in. Yes, sir.
Dude, you're making passes. I was just trying to hold on. I'm cheating.
You guys are good. I'm saying second or third for sure.
Good shit.
Yeah, boys. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
Woo!
Good job.
I'm saying second. It's about that time.
Dude, I gotta, even on one, this thing's too gnarly.
Arm pump, get it out. How you feeling after the first moto?
It was nice. It's hot out there, but I'm getting tired. I'm not made for this racing stuff.
Dude, it's only been one vlog away since your last race, so you're kind of really made for this racing stuff.
I know, but if the fans really knew, it's just you convincing me to race, and it's not me volunteering.
Well, we're just providing for the fans because that's what they asked for in the comments, so it's all for them.
Anything for the fans. No, this ain't for the arm pump. This is for the knee. I need a little bit of blood flow in the region. PIR really got me.
There it is. Kawasaki tab. Every time he's already had this welded, as you can see here, so this thing's all gusseted up and nice. And then check that out. Oh, that can's still hot. Yeah, I was gonna say you could run in one more moto for your second moto, but after looking over here, I think it's just a little too dangerous. The mid's about to separate from the header. The header's gonna wanna come out here. It's a bad deal all around, so. clutch swap it, back to the 250.
There we go. That's how you're gonna start. Already in the third.
Your guy's already in the third. He knows how to get starts. Now he's in the second.
Robbie!
Hey, now it's time to get serious. Your guy's in second.
Pressure's on, baby.
You're on the 250 now. You'll be dialed.
Hold the left arm up.
Less arm pump, more gas. Back on the 250 now. He's already making moves. That's a 23 high. Riding aggressive on this 250 right now. Oh, 100 is made it on the track. He's burn blasting speed. When our guy out is going to give him arm pump. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Anyway, you get a slice? There you go. Thank you. I'm gonna enjoy your pizza and then I'll walk over it.
Well, 7 in the morning right now. We wouldn't even be this up to ride dirt bikes. Now we're up this early to surf.
So you get when you get first round, first heats.
Well, that's when you're the podium type of guy. You're coming off a third place. You already set yourself up pretty good in the moto category. You just catch a couple waves. I think you're going to leave with some hardware today. How are you feeling about it?
Super excited. We did some practice surfing. I've been waiting for this moment. The confidence really isn't there, but we're going to do our best.
A lot of great white settings, by the way, but you'll be all right. Standing up for a surfing beach.
You thought you had to pay for dirt bike riding, you also got to pay for surfing too.
Unbelievable. Check it. $20 make you holler for the water that God has gifted us. Ooh, ooh.
Crashing the whip.
Almost took us out. Tape got stuck to the hand there. Hope we're not late for the event.
I mean, it wouldn't be a vlog if we weren't late for something. Did you get that video at
I
least?
told you.
Dude, it just went all over my surfboard too.
We got shouldered. Damn sauce, these burritos. Check out this collection of V-dubs with the pop-ups here. Look at the trucks.
It's a heavy lineup. Imagine me pulling the tractor in that thing. Ooh, flatbed.
I'm down for them. They're only probably 100 grand.
You got the money.
If we sell the Sprinter and then we save up another 50 grand, we could maybe get a VW.
And they get us to the track though.
One bike. And then one on the roof.
How'd you get on the roof?
Oh, there's already dudes out in the water. That's what I'm saying. No.
You went to the wrong beach.
Well, you were supposed to be the guy who's in the event.
No, but you were telling me, yo, we gotta go. So I was focusing on getting ready. You were supposed to do navigation.
You were hitting your back with a massage gun.
Yeah, I was getting fired up. I'm a little tight this morning.
We better start running. 2 minutes.
One good one.
That's it. It only takes one. He's leaving with hardware.
So your teammate's in red, just so you know.
Appreciate it.
Careful, bud. Careful.
medium, go. You got to catch a wave. You got 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Don't trip on your knees. Whoa, that's gnarly rock dancing. Red, your teammate's here to catch a wave, but you need to catch one too. Catch anything and stand up is worth a half a point, I'm saying.
He's going right away. Oh, he's going right away.
You got to get a wave.
First wave. Let's go! Only been in the water for 30 seconds. He already got one.
They're here.
At least he got one.
Get out there.
How was it?
You got solid last place.
Right
No
when
waves.
you were only out there for 30 seconds, you caught the first one instantly.
Go, baby.
Right away. Everyone was tripping.
They said all you gotta do is catch one. That's what I did.
Yeah, you said catch one.
Oh, hopefully we make it to the next round.
Did he catch any? Nothing.
And he said they were catching them left and right.
At least you got one.
Now I got one sick one. Made it worth waking up 6 a.m.
Oh yeah, well worth it.
What do we do now?
Now she's surfing you, bud. Does it feel good?
Oh, it feels so good.
Better than the Theragun?
Better than the chiropractor.
Long, sorrow walk up the hill
Hey,
for 26th place. But at least you scored points.
you don't gotta freaking rub it in and be a dick.
You still scored points.
Hey, we put our best foot forward. I did my part in the moto. I did my best in surf. That's all I could do.
Well, let's go hit the beach somewhere else.
Let's go.
How did it even pop off in the first place, you know?
I wedged it in my Ford Ranger, and it just barely fit, but that's what happens when you force things.
Why? Did you try to close the tailgate?
No, the tailgate was already closed, but I had two boards, and they were both like pointing at each other, and they started bending, so it wasn't a good situation. And we got some crazy glue.
Crazy glue about to come through.
Ooh, needle? Nothing a little crazy.
Extra careful. Get that on your fingers, you're done, buddy.
This is how the professionals do it.
Oh, yeah. Kalani would be hyped right now.
And pay your respect.
Oh, you're so dialed.
10 seconds left, that's what it said on the package.
What about you? What are you dialing in? You're plugging up right now?
Gotta get my leash.
How are you doing it before?
Chasing my board out there.
Were you chasing it?
Yeah.
Now you're about to be walking the dog. Before you were just chasing after him.
Professionals run no leash, pretty sure.
Well, I thought you were professional.
I mean, look at my scar. Am I professional?
Let's see that thing. How's it healing up?
It's looking nice. Maybe like a lifeguard was helping me. I hope so.
This one's called the crisscross.
Crisscross?
Applesauce. What about you? How you gonna? What's your technique?
No, I was thinking the whole area because I don't really know where my feet are gonna be because I'm kind of a squidbilly.
Well, dude, when you're gonna be walking out, I'm probably hanging 10 toes off that bad boy, so you gotta at least make it to the tip.
I know, that'd be sick to walk it out. I got a trick for you. Just wait. Yeah.
Look at the beach right now.
You know the local spot. Come this way.
It's nice out.
Nice day for it. Carlsbad, California.
Those long summer days too.
Yeah, you got plenty to do. You can ride during the day, surf in the afternoon.
Only in California. Oh, professional. Damn, it's nice out. Not one of the bigger days I do, huh?
Nah, but we'll still figure it out. We might have to keep moving.
There it is. You can see the rainbow now. You're saying at the pot of gold, that's what the good waves are going to be?
Yeah, that's the luck of the Irish, I'm telling you. It's nice.
Taking it all in.
Surfer court, surfer, how's the surf?
couple dudes out right here.
I've been here one time.
Where are we at now? Grandview?
Yeah, Grandview.
It's gonna be better down here. It's gotta be.
This is where I learned how to boogie board. I grew up as a little squirt.
You upgraded from sponging to longboarding?
Yeah, come on. We're gonna have to run over all these boogie boards.
Dude, I don't even. Oh, there's no sand. It's already up to the stairs. I'm gonna have to rip it from right up here.
I didn't know surf in front of a crowd.
Shore break. High tide. All the way up to the cliffs.